On the pros and cons of keeping animals. Yeah, you're gorgeous. The ladies can't resist you. Is that they do not only give me food, but they are, in fact, at least in my ecology, crucial to take care of this particular nature. I live in the Finnish archipelago, which, if you look at pictures from 50 years ago, was pretty barren because people had been living here so long, felling trees for firewood and grazing to put food on the table. And since agriculture ended, well, 50 years ago, the nature looks like this now. I love the forest. I love nature. But what I've come to realize while talking with actual biologists who study these ecologies is that without human intervention or cultural impact, that is grazing, these biomes that have evolved, according to some estimations, for 4,000 years would not survive, because these environments have been grazed and worked by humans for such a long time that the species here have evolved for that. Especially flowers, plant life, bugs, insects, birds. They all rely on someone eating all the biomass and pooping and moving on. So when we moved here, our plan from the beginning was that we wanted to try to restore this environment to its potential. And for that we got sheep. And now we have a couple of cows because, well, they can eat things that the sheep don't. So it's going to be really interesting to follow, well, for the next 70 years, 80 years, if God so will it, to see how this environment changes. I'll try to keep you guys posted about it. Hope you guys have time. Or are young. God bless.